Hello, ISPs. Thank you for being on time. Around 92 of you are already here. Um, we will be waiting for other 4 minutes for other ISPs to join us so that all of them and all of you are here with us before we start the meet and greet session. Also, till that time, I would like to share your experience. What are your expectations? How are you feeling that you all are selected as Internshala student partners? Things are going in your college, and and anything which you would like to share with us. Hi Neha, hi Tushar, hi Prince, hi Richa, hi Ankit. We're seeing a lot of hearts and a lot of likes. Thank you for that. And a lot of highs and hays. Hi everyone. We're so excited to have you on board with us for the ISP 15 program. Those of you who have joined us recently, we are waiting for other 3 to 4 minutes for other ISPs to join us so that we can start the session together.
Many of the ISPs say that they are really very excited to be a part of the ISP 15 program. Well, let me tell you, we are excited as hell right now. So currently we have 350 ISPs who are live on this session, and we'll be waiting for 3 more minutes. So till then, the newcomers can share their experiences as to how they feel about being a member of the ISP 15 fraternity.
So really happy to see all the comments that students are, all of you are so happy. Trust me, as Ashita said, we are also super happy and super excited to work with you all. Um, Ashish is saying he's very excited. Um Kamini is saying that she's very excited to be a part of ISP program and it will help her to learn a lot. Surely, Kamini, you will learn a lot, and not only that, we'll make sure that you earn a lot as well.
Shahzad over here says that he has got so many new friends through the ISP 15 program. That's really nice.
So around 500 ISPs are already here. Next 2 more minutes, we are waiting for more ISPs to join us. Once they are all here, and we'll be starting the live session. So we'll start the live session at exactly 7:05.
Yeah, Kamini is saying that she's so happy and excited being a part of ISP. Yeah, sure, you'll learn a lot. The program will just not only you learn a lot, you'll also earn a lot.
Shubham is saying hello guys, very excited for this session. Shubham, we are also really excited. Hope you enjoy the session and we are able to help you to understand what exactly is the program all about and what exactly we all of us will be doing together for the next 70 days. Hemant is feeling very crazy and excited. Same here, Hemant.
Yes, Suresh, we are also very excited to be with you all here.
So over here, many of you are saying that we have a lovely background. So this is our office where you can see the wall where it is written do epic shit. So this is the Internshala office. So you're not only meeting us, you're also getting to see the office.
So it's time, it's 7:05. We'd like to officially start the meet and greet session. So firstly, I would like to congratulate all of you for becoming the Internshala student partner of your college. We are really excited to have you on board with us. This would be a really exciting journey where you will truly transform yourself in these 70 days. We will have a lot of exciting activities for you, a lot of fun stuff would be there, and a great opportunity to finally be out in the college, explore your interests, explore your career options, and also in while doing that, if you will be also earning pocket money while you are still in your college. Uh, so I would like to congratulate you and welcome you to the ISP program. So before we start the live session, we would like to introduce you to us. We would like to introduce you. That is the whole ISP team and what we do in the ISP program. So I'll start by myself. I am Akshat Garola, and I take care of hiring students like you to become an Internshala student partner of your college. And Yashika.
Hi, my name is Yashita Jain, and I'm the marketing manager of the ISP program. And I take care of the all the launching of online contests over here.
Hi, ISPs. First of all, I would like to congratulate you all. So, I, as a brand manager of ISP team, take care of the online branding activities as well as the your offline activity, that is seminar and internship talk, which will be hosted by you.
So that's it. So it's us. We are the ISP team, and you will be interacting with us in these 70 days. So some or another of us will always be in touch with you, maybe over emails or WhatsApp, or even we will give you a call at some times. So let's start. Firstly, I would like to discuss what exactly is the ISP program. What exactly do you have to do in this program? So coming to the ISP program, it is the campus ambassador program of Internshala, where you are the face of Internshala in your college, and you will be working with us for us in your college to create awareness about Internshala. So campus ambassador programs is a program are those programs where students work for a company and they represent the company in their college. So similarly, ISP program is a campus ambassador program where you will create awareness about Internshala internships and Internshala trainings in your campus. So here you will be finally the face of Internshala. You are an extended team member who will be in the campus, who will represent Internshala and create awareness about the platform.
Yeah.
Next is what exactly we will do. Yashita will be taking over and she'll explain you regarding this next steps and what exactly you will be doing.
Yes. So as Akshat already stated that you will become the face of Internshala in your college, and you will be going forward with promoting Internshala internships and Internshala trainings in your college. Now the question arises, how would you do that? So we go forward with launching certain contests in the coming 70 days, which are in the form of offline as well as online. So to give you a briefing about the online contest that will be coming up in your emails is one, the trainings contest, in which you'll go forward with promoting Internshala trainings amongst your friends and your college mates. You'll motivate your friends to go forward and take an Internshala training and upskill themselves. The second is registrations contest, where you'll go forward with promoting Internshala as a platform amongst your friends. You will tell them all about how internships is an important part of their career and how Internshala can provide them the opportunity to be exposed to this particular world, professional world out there. Yeah, so mainly we have two contests. I would like to repeat that. Two contests. One is trainings and the other is registration in online contests. Then we have the offline part of your ISP program, where you will go forward with promoting the brand, Internshala brand in your college through offline methods. So one of the offline method that we use is through internship talk. So you will be gathering students in your college and telling them about what Internshala as a platform can provide them through internships. Soon you will be getting emails regarding all these activities, and I know you're very excited to get the emails. So just to give you a little sneak peek, that we'll be announcing a very special and big announcement at the end of this live session. So hope you all stay till the end of it, because who doesn't stay will never get to know what happened. Yeah. So moving on. When you will go forward with performing these contests, you will also get a chance to learn as well as earn. So over here, you will get to learn how to market Internshala in your college. You'll get to know new people. You'll get to do class to class presentations where you will have an opportunity to upskill yourself as a professional. You will increase your communication skills, marketing skills, and many more things. Other than that, you will also be incentivized with all the efforts that you put in over here. So whenever you're going to perform any of these tasks, you will be getting incentivized in cash for everything. So guys, if you want to be financially stable, it is very important that you go forward and perform in these contests with all your heart and soul. All right. So moving on, just to do a little activity with you right now. We just launched an email to you guys. We sent an email to you guys. So can I get a thumbs up whosoever has already seen the email?
Yeah, it's a lot of thumbs ups.
Awesome. So many of you have already received the email that we sent you about onboarding today. So, giving a little briefing about as to what that email contains is, first we have given you some tasks to complete in the day today. So by today midnight, you have to complete certain tasks that we have sent to you on your emails. One task is that you go forward. So we have provided you your ISP codes and passwords. So you might be wondering, what is ISP code? Yeah. So ISP code will be a very integral part of your ISP journey, since we will be getting to know you through your ISP codes, and you'll go forward with performing in every contest through your ISP codes. So many of you won't know, but whenever you go forward and join a professional company, they create an employer ID of yours. So it is very similar to that. Every student will have a unique and different ISP code through which we can track their performance all throughout the ISP program. Also, you will use these credentials, that is your ISP code and password, to log in to your ISP dashboard. So the same way that you use your Facebook or Instagram or WhatsApp or any other social media platform by logging in through credentials, you will be using these in the same way. You will use your ISP code and password to log into your ISP dashboard. Now, here a question arises: what is ISP dashboard and how will it help you? So guys, we would like to tell you that we have created a customized dashboard for every ISP over here, and you will be getting your live updates regarding the trainings contest on your dashboard. So you will be able to track your own performance of the trainings contest on this dashboard. Not only this, we will be launching your scores, the top performers, and other very important things on this dashboard itself. So it is very important that you log into your dashboards and save the password right now so that you don't have a hassle later on. The last thing that this dashboard contains is a very important part of the ISP journey, which is the ISP Help Center. So there must be a time where we'll be launching contest and you will have several questions to ask. Now, where will you go? Your one-stop destination is ISP Help Center. So you can visit your ISP Help Center through your dashboard and view all the top trending queries that you will get answers to over there in a sneak peek. So you don't have to wait for the replies to your email. You can just go there, you can open the tab for whichever contest is going on, and you can get your answers to your questions on that spot over there. Yeah. All right. So, summing up the part of the ISP dashboard, you have got your credentials, which is the ISP code and your password. You can log into your ISP dashboard right now, and you will see that reward section is open currently. And in the reward section, you can see that there is training summary. So over there, we'll be updating. You will be receiving live updates regarding your performance in the trainings contest. Then you can go forward and keep a tab on this particular dashboard, as we'll be announcing big things over here. Then you have your ISP help center over there to answer all your queries throughout the ISP program. Also, you will be sending us queries through this help center only. So supposing you visit the help center, you view the top trending queries, and you don't have get an answer to your specific query. No need to have any problems regarding that, because in at the most lower section you will find a need further assistance tab, where you can click and send us a query straight away. You need not go to your Gmail account or log in over there. You can just go and send us a query through your ISP help center. Yeah, things are that easy over here. Cool. All right.
So, giving Yashita a break, she's been speaking from since a long time.
Yeah.
So, a few things ISPs are constantly asking. I'll just let you all know. A lot of ISPs who have not received the mail, don't worry. We have already sent it. You might be receiving it shortly. And ISPs who have joined us now and have missed out a lot of things, if they feel, so don't worry. We will be sharing the recording of this live session with you over an email and over the WhatsApp message as well, and it will be there in the Facebook group as well. So don't worry in case you have a network issue or a sound issue, or you get disconnected in the between, or you came a little late. So don't worry, we will be sharing the recording of this live session with you later on. So don't worry, and we should be shortly receiving the mail which contains your ISP code and password. So don't worry for that result. And a lot of students are asking questions regarding the ISP program. We'll be having a short Q&A session, that is question and answer session, at the end of the live session. So stay with us, and we will be clearing all your doubts, queries, anything you have after this session. That is when we complete the session and all the things which we have to tell you. So over to you, Ashita.
All right, thank you so much, Akshay. So moving on from the contest part. So as I mentioned that you will be learning as well as earning. So let me give you a little briefing about the rewards that you will be winning in the ISP program. So drum rolls please. So the top performer of the ISP program is going to win an iPhone X. Yeah, you heard that right. So the top performer of the ISP 15 program is going to win iPhone X. It's a really big opportunity for all of you right here, right now, as this is the start of the program. And if you just start performing from right this moment, you will be having an iPhone X, which you will earn through performing the best in this program after 3 months. Yeah. So moving forward, the second best performer of this program will get
the second performer. They will get a Google Home Mini.
Yeah.
And the third performer will get a Netflix subscription from us. So these three rewards, that is iPhone X, the second reward is Google Home Mini, and the third reward is Netflix subscription. So three super exciting rewards, which all of us, at least me, I always wanted all these things when I was in college. So three super exciting rewards, which you will receive if you are the top three performer. And not only that, if you're not a top performer, don't worry. So you have still huge big chances to earn huge amount of rewards in these 70 days, and especially in these upcoming 10 days, you can earn half of the rewards in the ISP program. So Yashita will tell you what exactly are those rewards which all ISPs will get from us.
Yeah. So moving forward, the top three rewards will be iPhone X, Google Home Mini, and Netflix subscription. Now, how will you receive rewards all through the program? So we'll be going forward with providing you ISP points for performing in every task, in every contest. So even if you don't get to become the top performer or win the grand prizes, doesn't mean that you will go from the ISP program empty handed. We will be going forward with providing you incentives for every task, and that will be through ISP points. So you have to keep in mind that throughout ISP program, you earn as many ISP points as possible. And I would also like to tell you that every ISP point has the value of rupees 5. So if at the end of the ISP program you have gained 1000 ISP points, that will be equal to 5000 rupees. And we will be processing this money on a monthly basis. So you need not worry about that you are not receiving your money at the end of the program, because we'll be processing your payments every month. So to give you a heads up on that, so when you'll be going forward with performing in different tasks on a monthly basis, you will be curious to know as to what you're going forward with and how you're performing. So we'll be doing that. We'll be giving you an update through the ISP scorecard, which will be launched on 5th of every month. So, for example, if you go forward with performing any tasks throughout the month of September, the scorecard of September will be updated on your ISP dashboard on 5th of October. And with that, your incentives for that duration will be processed by 15th of October. So in the coming 3 months, keep a tab on these 2 dates. One is 5th of October, 5th of every month, and 15th of every month. On 5th, we'll be launching your scorecard for the previous month, and on 15th, we will be processing your incentives, cash incentives for the previous month. Cool? Yeah, so that was all about how you will go forward with performing in the ISP program, and what are the rewards that you will be getting throughout the program. Going to the next part, we assume that you must be having several questions over here, and Arun is going to help you out as to understand what your answers are to these questions. Over to you, Arun.
Thank you very much, Ishita and Akshay. I hope everything is clear for you all. What you have to exactly do in these 70 days. So I think you have all gone through the orientation video. Even then, you might have some doubts. The top trending queries we have received. So I'm going to answer you all that, so that I hope you will be cleared all your doubts and you kickstart your journey. So the first doubt is that many of you don't have Facebook account. Because of that, couldn't able to attend the live session. As Akshit said, we will be sharing the video of this live session, this recorded version, and through email. And this live session will be saved in our Facebook group, and it will be also shared in the WhatsApp. And second top trending query was the ISP code and password. By now you might have received. Please check your registered email address, where you will find your unique ISP code and password, with which you can access your ISP dashboard. You can open your wonderful dashboard, which is personalized. And the third one is how we track your performance. So once we launch every contest, the online contest, you will be receiving a unique link which consists of your ISP code. So through which we track your performance. So once on every contest we launch, we will be explaining you how we track your performance. Don't worry. And every points you gain, every rewards you gain will be updated in your dashboard, so that you can be tracking. You can track your performance, and also we'll be sharing the leaderboards, where you can check how much you stand across around among 20,000 plus ISPs across India. And the third top trending query was what is the seminar, how we have to launch it, should we put any money in it or not. You don't need to put any money in launching the seminars. We will be providing you all the materials required to host the seminar successfully. We will be assisting you. We will be taking a sole ownership of it. So we will be launching the talk or seminar in the second week of September. So don't worry, we'll be explaining you completely about that. We'll be having a live sessions regarding the same. And the fourth trending query was the people who are asking if we have to pay anything to participate in the program. No, you don't have to pay anything, any rupee. But in return, you will be gaining priceless experiences, where you will be developing your leadership skills, managerial skills, public speaking skills, and that the top performer will be gaining iPhone X. So, which is interesting, which I want, especially if I be an ISP. The and some other trending queries are people are asking what kind of rewards we'll be gaining. So as Akshit said and Yashita said, the top performers will be gaining iPhone 10, Google Mini, and Netflix. Apart from that, for each contest, we'll be having unique rewards, certificate of appreciations, and also Internshala cool branded T-shirts. So that's exciting, right? And
So a lot of so right now, so I'll just brief you about the rewards as well. So I'll just share an update about our previous ISP. So his name was Amar Jha, and just to, if you want to know how much you can earn, I'll just let you know. So Amar Jha, he was an ISP in ISP 14, and he earned more than 25,000 rupees in just 70 days. So guys, sky is the limit. There is no limit to the award you can earn. The better you perform, the more reward you earn. So 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, that is totally on you. This is just the cash reward. Plus, you will also get other incentives, that is the Internshala t-shirt, free Internshala trainings, a lot of goodies from us. So sky is the limit. You become a top performer. How will you become a top performer? By participating in the contest and creating more and more awareness about Internshala. And as I told you, sky is the limit. You can earn as much rewards as you want just by performing actively in the ISP program. And all the ISPs who are having their doubts, we request you please type it in the comment section, and we will answer all the doubts and queries you have regarding the ISP program. Arun has already cleared the top trending queries which you had. And if you have any other queries regarding other things, please feel free to reach out to us by writing it in the comment section.
Alright, one more thing that I forgot to add in the reward section, that at the end of the program, we will be rewarding all the ISPs who finish the program successfully with a letter, a completion letter. So this completion letter will certify that you completed the ISP program successfully at the end of 70 days. And what is the eligibility criteria to get this particular letter is that at the end of the program, you need to have at least 60 ISP points to gain that certificate, to gain that completion letter. So during the 70 days, make sure that you go forward and perform in every online or offline tasks and get at least of 60 ISP points, which will in turn get you money, as well as which will make you eligible to receive the completion letter at the end of the program, so that you can go forward and add it to your CV and show it to all your friends and the professional career that you will be following after ISP program. Yeah. So I think many.
Yeah, ISP. So we let us start the Q&A session where please post your queries in the comment section, and we will be assisting you. So Vishal was telling that his college is not yet started. Don't worry, Vishal. We'll be launching the activities where you can perform. You don't need to travel to college. Also, you just work from home. And also, some other ISPs have a doubt that whether we have to what is work from college. So, what exactly is the students has to the activities we launch where we have to empower the internship culture in your college. So it is what it is called work from college. But since most of the students where some students doesn't their colleges is not yet started, don't worry, we'll be launching an activities where you can participate from home also.
Yeah, so just to add to Arun's point, many of you we see over here are very tensed as to how they will go forward with performing in the program and how much time do they need to provide to this particular program. So we would like to tell you that ISP is a very simple and easy program to participate in. We go forward with launching many contests during the 70 days, and you can perform in every contest according to your own convenience. So we also go forward with launching contests of different types. So if you're not able to go forward with performing offline activities in colleges, you can go forward with performing in online. So the type and nature of contests that we go forward with launching in the ISP program are very diverse, and we try that all type of students studying in college or doing an SOL type of program, doing an IGNO course, they can also go forward with performing in these tasks. Yeah. So you need not to be tensed and worried about how you're going to perform and how much hours you need to dedicate to the ISP program. You can go forward with doing it as to your own convenience.
So a top trending query is about how will you get an Internshala T-shirt.
Yeah.
I would have been asking the same question if I was an ISP. So we will be having a special announcement, as Yashita said, and all the rewards regarding the same would be discussed in that announcement itself. But to give you a sneak peek, we will make sure that tomorrow itself you have earned a T-shirt, and we send you a mail that you have earned a T-shirt,
Yeah.
and we'll be delivering the T-shirt to you shortly. So all the ISPs will get the T-shirt. There are certain criterias. How will you earn it? You have to earn it, which we will discuss shortly, and we'll give you a sneak peek as well. But we'll make sure that each one of you have an Internshala T-shirt. Just do what we asked you to do, and you all will be eligible to receive an Internshala T-shirt from us.
Yeah, just to be a little greedy, all the top performers will definitely be getting the t-shirts. So make a name of yourself to become the top performer of the ISP program, and we will assure you that you will get a special hamper from us. Yeah, so we further questions.
A lot of ISPs are asking, do we have to send a confirmation mail to our college regarding the selection, or will we send a confirmation email to your TNPs or principal? So we have given you a joining letter. It states all the joining formalities at your own responsibilities, the terms and condition. So from us, we have sent it to you. You can print the same letter and show it to your college authority. It will serve as an official document that you are an Internshala student partner working for us while in your college. So we'll not be sending it to your TNPs, as we have given it to you. Now you are a member of Internshala, an extended team member, and you can flourish this document to your principal or your college authorities if you need any permissions or to be a part, to represent Internshala or to create awareness about Internshala in your college.
Yeah.
And there's a top trending query regarding the seminar, that how you will track our seminar performance, or we need any permission letter to so that our college will give permission to host a seminar. Don't worry, ISPs. Once we launch seminar activity, we will be assisting you from the scratch, where we take authority, we take an opportunity that you will be successfully hosting the talk. Don't worry about that. We'll be giving you the permission letters. We'll be giving you all the materials required for the seminar talk. It's just that you have to take 5 minutes from your busy schedule, just prepare for it, and it's just a 10 minutes talk. Don't worry about that. We'll be having a complete dedicated session for the talk, so that each and everyone will be successfully giving a talk.
Yeah. Alright, so many of you over here are asking how will they go forward with referring students about Internshala trainings and Internshala internships. So you need not worry. Whenever we'll be going forward and announcing any contest, which is offline or online, we'll be having a live session same as this kind, and we'll be briefing you about the contest in detail, so that you can go forward and perform your best in every contest. Now, being a little specific to your answer as to how you will refer about Internshala trainings and Internshala internships to your friends, we'll be sharing a specific link with you in all the online contest emails, where you will be forwarding that link to your friends, through which they will have to go forward with applying on Internshala internships platform and Internshala trainings platform. So, if you are planning to go forward and boast about becoming an ISV and motivating your friends to join Internshala, I would say that hold your breaths, hold your horses for one more day, as tomorrow you will be receiving a specific link through which we will be able to track your performance, and you will be incentivized for every student that comes to the platform of Internshala through your unique link. Yeah.
So A lot of ISPs are asking what is the minimum criteria to receive the letter of recommendation, that is the completion letter. So 60 ISP points in these 70 days, and you will be securing the completion letter. That is the letter of recommendation. And trust me, 60 ISP points is way too less. Everyone will be able to achieve them, as we have a great reward structure. And ISPs in our program have earned 1000 ISP points, 1500 ISP points. So it's a piece of cake to just earn 60 ISP points and get the prestigious letter of recommendation from us.
Yeah, you can take the aim of earning one ISP point every day, and you'll have 70 ISP points at the end of the program, and you'll go bye bye with a completion letter.
So many ISPs are asking, do we get an ID card?
Yeah.
Many ISPs are asking regarding the ID card.
Yeah.
So to host a talk, we have already given you, or to be a part of Internshala, we have given you a joining letter. So it will serve as an identification that you are an Internshala student partner, and that you are the face of Internshala, and you want to select it as an ISP, and you'll be promoting Internshala in your college. So your joining letter is your identification document, which will be used for any ID purpose.
And also many ISPs were, some of them are telling that they have exams. So don't worry ISPs, exam breaks or exams are fine with us. You can participate in the activities as per your convenience, but make sure you learn something out of it.
Yeah.
So Varun is asking, how will you send us our money? So Varun, once you earn an ISP point, supposedly I refer 50 students or I refer 100 students and get them registered for Internshala, I get 500 ISP points. I get 100 ISP points. That is equal to 500 rupees. Once I do that, Yashta will drop me an email that I have earned 500 rupees. I'll fill my bank account details, and on the 15th of next month, I will receive those 500 rupees. So what you have to do is, you refer an Internshala training, or you refer an Internshala internship, or for registrations, you get a certain amount of ISP points, which will be discussed later in every contest. So once those ISP points are accumulated, suppose you have got 1000 ISP points, so that money that will be converted into money, that is 5000, and you will be receiving it the next month. So in your ISP dashboard, we have a section that is a bank account section. Make sure you fill the bank account details so that we can process this amount. So this amount will be sent to you on 15th of every month. That is the amount, how much amount you have earned.
Yeah. So if you visit your ISP dashboard currently, you'll see that my reward section is open. So if you click on that section, you will see below over there, you can add your bank account details today itself. So I would really urge and motivate you guys to go forward and add the bank account details today itself, as tomorrow we are going to announce a reward structure that you will be very excited about, and we'll be processing the payments also on an early basis before the 15th of every month. So go forward and start adding your bank account details, so that whenever you start performing in a contest, you can get the money as soon as possible in your accounts.
So, Roshni is asking, how is it helpful to enhance our CVs? So Roshni, we are in our 15th edition of the ISP program. So everyone in India has been an ISP. Maximum of number of students, they apply, we receive around 1 lakh to 2 lakh application for every edition. So maximum the student in India knows about ISP. Not just students, coming to the employers, as Internshala is a very famous platform. A lot of employers, there are more than 80,000 companies who continuously post their intern requirements on a platform. So if you have a letter, that is a letter of recommendation, that you are an Internshala student partner and you successfully completed the program, these employers know that these employers already hire from internship platform. So it would be a plus point for you having an Internshala certificate with you, a letter with you. It will give you an edge above other students who have not done their internship, or they don't have an Internshala certificate. So it will be a plus point, as many maximum number of employers, HR, they know about Internshala and they're hiring through Internshala, and you have an Internshala certificate. If you're affiliated from Internshala, that would be a plus point, which would definitely help you to improve your CV. And not to obviously to mention that it will also help you to hone your leadership skill, your marketing skills, your communication skills. So over and all, it will help you to develop your personality as well.
Yeah. And to enlighten you guys that Akshit and Arun, both of them have been an ISP in their college journey. And look where they are today. One is a marketing manager and the other is a brand manager at one of the fastest growing startups in India. So definitely ISP program will not only help you to learn or earn, but will also help you go up in the professional world and stand out amongst the other students who have not done an internship during their college life. Yeah.
And one important update ISPs. So when you go through your ISP code and password when you going to log in, make sure you copy paste your ISP code and password so that it is easy for you to access your dashboard. So your username is ISP code and the password is your ISP password.
Yeah, and also while doing that, click the save password button so that you need not type your password or copy paste your password again and again from the emails. It will be a lot easier for you to go forward with getting updates regarding the ISP program if you just save the password once for all today.
And ISPs, so we have also changed the group settings of WhatsApp to only admins, since we are going to launch our first, the biggest contest in the ISP program. So we just don't want to, disturb you in the groups by different ISPs. So we have just changed the settings to only admins can measure, so that you will be updated every activity very clearly and thoroughly. And also, please don't mute your WhatsApp groups, so that you don't miss the important updates of the contest in these 3 days, because the first start is the best start, as you know. And please make sure use your ISP help center. So please, you might have received by now your ISP dashboard credentials. So please go through your dashboard, and if you have any query, any sort of doubts, please don't hesitate. Use your ISP help center, and we are here to assist you. And if you have any problem in the WhatsApp group or in any social media group of ISP 15, so please share the issue with us along with the screenshot at isp@internshala.com, and we are here to assist you and solve the issue as early as possible.
So adding on to Arun's point, what exactly we would want you to is to maintain a professional code of conduct. As you are an Internshala student partner now, you have entered your professional journey, and we expect a certain kind of professionalism, a code of conduct. So please maintain the decorum in the WhatsApp group or any other social media group, and generally in life as well. Also, if you feel that any other ISP is doing that, please make sure you report it to us so that we take necessary actions, and your ISP journey is very smooth and happy journey.
Yeah.
And before, I think we have already answered a lot of queries and questions. If you still have any queries, don't worry. You have the help center with you. All the frequently asked question is already there. Please go through all of them so to know the ISP program inside out. And if you still have any queries, please drop us your email, the query, using your help center itself, and our team will surely get in touch with you as soon as possible. And so we'll wind up with this Q&A session, and Yashita would have a special announcement now. And all the queries, please make sure you drop us through the ISP Help Center. And if you've not received the email, please wait for us. You will be receiving the mail shortly. So Yashita, the special announcement which you had to make.
Yeah. So we are almost at the end of our live session, and as I told you before, that the ones who will be here till now will get a special announcement. So tomorrow we'll be going forward with launching the first ISP 15 contest, which will be a trainings contest. And we would request you that you go forward and keep a tab on your email IDs around 4 to 5, as we'll be launching the contest at from 4 to 5. So you can be confident that you will be receiving an email around 4 to 5 You can mark it on your calendars and put a reminder. And we wish you all the best that you will be going forward with performing in the first ISP 15 contest tomorrow.
A sneak peek in the rewards, for sure, Internshala t-shirt,
Yeah.
a huge amount of cash incentives. That is directly you will receive certain amount. Not only that, certain number of ISP points. Not only that, a free Internshala training, and not only that, a special certificate as well. So I think more than 5, 6 things I've already mentioned. All the things will be mentioned in detail in the email which will send to you tomorrow. So make sure you check your emails. If you will even drop you a message on your WhatsApp, so that you are able to see it and you start performing in the contest as soon as possible. Also, we'll be here with you for a new live session regarding the contest tomorrow. We'll drop you an email regarding the same as well. What exactly would be the time? And if you're not able to attend it, which I would want you all to be there, don't worry. We'll be sharing the recording of all the live seminars, all the live sessions with you on all the groups which we have made and all the social media account as well.
Yeah. So, also one more thing that what I'm seeing over here is that you guys have a lot to say. So, going through the chats of your WhatsApp group and going through the chat that you are having right now on the live session, we see that many of you want to speak to each other. So, I would really go forward and promote you to do so through having a comment, through adding comments to this chat when we later on post this video, so you can have a conversation in the chat section and get to know each other and how you go forward with performing in the contest, as it will help you and the other person to grow together. So we are a team right now. We are in this together in the ISP 15 program, where we will be growing together and with each other. So guys, with this, we would like to end this session and keep a tab on your email. From 4 to 5 tomorrow, we'll be launching the first trainings contest of ISP program, and we'll be meeting you again at 7 o'clock tomorrow in the evening with more details about the trainings contest itself. All the best, ISPs.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye.
All the best.